Hi, and welcome back to part 6 of my kitchen makeover. Now that the primer is dry, I can finally reveal the kitchen color. It so happens to be my favorite, which is this beautiful shade of forest green. I think it will look quite lovely with the aged gold accents and white backsplash. I have not taped off the previously sprayed poles in the hope I can wing it and get a clean line. Is it wishful thinking and going to create more work later on? Foreshadowing. Maybe, but one can hope. This paint, like the primer, is water-based. I am removing as much excess off the roller as possible so I get nice and thin coats. I'm expecting to apply 3 coats for saturated coverage. This paint supposedly does not require a top coat. I think I will give it a few weeks and add one later if I feel it's needed after all. But for now, I will trust the label. I'll repeat this for all surfaces, including the ones in the kitchen I could not remove. So, I'll see you in a few days when I applied the remaining coats and share the next steps in my kitchen saga. Bye bye!